Hello, and welcome to this lecture today on the COVID-19 virus pandemic. Since the virus was first officially identified on the 16th of January 2019 in Wuhan, China, the number of COVID-19 cases has risen sharply worldwide, and hundreds of thousands of new infections are being reported every day. The virus is still ever present in almost every part of the world and mutating and creating other strains. The global spread of COVID-19 is having a devastating effect on human lives and is representing an unprecedented shock for the world's economy. So, I'm going to start today by looking at some of the shocking facts and figures. According to the World Health Organization, from the second week in January 2021, there have been 99.8 million recorded COVID-19 cases and over 2.1 million COVID-19 related deaths worldwide. The figures show that the United States have the highest